Hi you guys. So, okay, it's clear now. I just got home from work. Don't bother me. Okay, so I just got home from work. I wanted to unpack something. What did I do with it? So I should have a few different products coming today. TikTok got me on this one. It was this guy. I like the way it made his curly hair look. Looked like he had the same curl pattern as me, so no regret. We're gonna see. Ow, as soon as I open it. I need to get a box cutter. Okay, so this brand is called Curl Days. You guys can see that's like their logo. Inside they have Leave It Alone. Gimme, no. Play with your toys. Okay, we appreciate your support. This has their Instagram, their Facebook, and their TikTok. So just a cute little card. And then my total for this was, let's see if it's the amount on here. It don't. But I don't think I paid more than $30. Okay, so this is how it looks. Really cute. It's called Ultra Moisture Cream. Is it Cuckoo Oil? It's K-U-K-U-I. So this instantly moisturizes, softens, and smooth curls. Great for wash and goes, curl refreshing, and protective styles. It's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, which is really great, especially for natural hair. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, I didn't know they have a YouTube too. Okay, so it comes sealed. It smells like a very familiar product. I can't put my fingers on it. Is it Care maybe? But this is their moisture cream, so the next time I wash my hair, I'm gonna use that. Oh, I didn't know it was this big of a size. Oh, wow. So this is their Glossy Shine Gel. This is for shiny, defined, twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, and edges. This is also sulfate, paraben, silicone, and alcohol free. I think this is the maintenance man. Hello?
It's Rachel available.
This is she.
Hey, this is Jason with API Roofing. We'll come take a look at that leak in your unit.
Okay.
Hey, I'm down here by the elevator. Don't you have to type in a code to get?
Yeah, it's 333555.
333555. So
And
3
then
weeks.
press 3. Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, I'll be up there in a second.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Whatever. Okay, so directions with this one is to start with wet, damp, or dry hair, longer list, section hair into desired sizes. Okay, same as last time. So, you know, I'm open to see how this would do on twist out. So next time I do one, we'll see. So, it smells good. I do like the scent of it. So we'll see next time I do my hair. And I just got the duo, so these two came together. And then I got some Amazon packages coming today, so I'll see what those are. And I also need to go on Amazon and get Rupert an outfit. He has professional pictures he has to get done on Sunday. And I want to be dressed up. Hold on. Rupert.
Hey. So you got the same amount as this. Let's see. You don't know. Do you know how to get to the roof? Is it same elevator or?
They normally take the stairs. I don't know if they have another key.
I got a key to get like.
Okay, so anyways, let me see what I ordered from Amazon because I honestly don't remember. I'm hungry. that's all I got. I want more things. There's things I need. I needed extra batteries for my camera. Sorry, I mean to always not have so much space up here. What was I saying? Yeah, I needed more batteries for my camera because I feel like they die so fast. So I ordered 2 more batteries. That way I'll always be ready to vlog. I also have a new memory card. And yeah, so I'm gonna go on Amazon and try and find puppy Christmas outfits because it's really for Christmas. So I hope I can find like a nice suit or something. It's like they don't really be having anything. This is cute. But they more so have girl outfits, but not guys. Not pet cologne. But anyway, I won't hold you guys. I will chat with you all later when my other packages get here. That way I can unbox with you all. So, toodles. Girl, no. Okay, y'all, so I'm editing a video. So the man came in, looked at the place. I ain't seen him since. I think it's worse than what he imagined. I really think it's an event as well. But who just come look at something and then just don't return? He's been gone like an hour and 30 minutes now. So I really feel like he's... Stop, Rupert. I think he was calling like my... like... complex. Well, this ain't no complex. Rupert, please. Sorry, y'all. I think he's calling that leasing agent, I'll say that, and telling her how horrible it is. He just can't tell me that. But yeah, so anyway, I got a headache. I know where the headache come from now. I know where them calls tonight come from. This ain't nothing to play with. So yeah, might get my tail home sooner than I thought. But anyways, Rupert, please, please, hey, give it a second. Go play with that toy. Anyway, I'm gonna finish editing, you guys, and I will chat with y'all later. Hi, you guys. So I ended up taking a nap. Hold on, it's about to be dark in here. Okay, yeah, so I ended up taking a nap. Other packages are here, so I'm about to open those. They'll go. Okay, watch them go right in there. Y'all can't see them. He's such a brat. But anyways, y'all had the oven on because I didn't want to turn on the heat yet. But I was looking for a vlog that I have. Let me lock the door. Honey, I don't think I ever hit record. So that's, you know, gone downhill. Sorry guys, because you know I was trying to be consistent and I just don't have it. Let me set this up. Y'all don't mind, he just take every last toy out of the bin. It's ridiculous. So I just finished doing a little bit of work, just got in the house. I walked Rupert. He's at my neighbor house right now, which I'm just so thankful for her because it means I don't really have to play with him when he's over there. Like I still have to play with him, but she has enough, like, she be having friends and stuff over and they love him. So oh my goodness, so I need some peace and quiet because I'm used to not having no dog. I love my dog, don't get me wrong, but when you've gone years and it's just you, yeah. Anyways, what are you gonna open this? So this is my Amazon package we're about to open. Ow. I thought I ordered more stuff, but I didn't. Okay, so this is Rupert's seatbelt. Normally I have to take this chain and just wrap it. But I like this one because it just hooks around the armrest. So that is just, and it has a little expand because he do like to be out the window. And I put him in the back seat. So yeah, that's that, which is, that comes in handy so much. So now this is my batteries. Oh, and it came with a charger. I wasn't even expecting that. So it actually came with a charger. this is portable. Okay, I clearly ain't read. I just saw 2 batteries and went with it. So this is what do you call it? A charger. Lordy. This is a charger, and it just needs a port, which I have somewhere around here, so I can carry this around with me. That's really cool. Definitely wasn't expecting that. So now I have 3 batteries. So my camera, I have no excuses to say my camera is about to die. I can just switch out the batteries. These are the 2 batteries. They said that they are compatible with my T6i, so we will see. I sure hope so. That's how that looks. And I got 2 of them. And then I got my favorite tape removal. This is for work. This is for everyone who get my tape in extensions. This is the remover for it, and I just love this brand. I wish they had Instagram so I could you know, at them and get sponsored, but I absolutely love this, and you can actually get this off of Amazon. So that is all my packages today. I had to go on Amazon and make another order. Let's see where I had to order. Oh, did I purchase it yet? Oh, I had to get Rupert's sweater for Sunday. I don't know if I told y'all that he gets professional pictures done on Sunday. And then I also had to get my microlink beads. So let me go ahead and check out. Honestly, ever since I turned my life around, and God knows my heart is such a real thing. Like, everything has just been lining up with like work coming in together. The only thing I don't do is really post my cosmetics like that. But I can say having it the way it is in my suite, people purchase it that way. So I haven't really been into online sales just because it's been in-store shopping. So that's still a blessing. But I would like to get it out more. I just got to figure out that part of everything. So, oh, I didn't pay my cable. I mean, not cable, electric. I didn't pay my electric and internet bill. Oh, and my cell phone bill. Wow. Oh, the joy. Let's do that now, shall we? I always tell myself, you know, when you have to pay bills and you have the money for it, be thankful that you have the money to pay it and pay it. Don't hold on to that money, because when you're holding on to it, you're telling God that you don't trust that he'll make a way for you to get more income. And then also, since you have the money, be thankful that you have it to pay it, because what if you didn't have the money to pay it? Then you would be like, oh, I wish I had the money to pay it. So a lot of times we be messing our own selves up. Like they say, you know, you gotta get out your own way. That's something I've learned a while ago, and I think I wanted to talk about it, but I didn't. But I just talked about it, so there's that. Y'all, I need my hair done. I need my hair done. I need my hair done. I made my appointment today. I sent my deposit to get some locks. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and tone my hair again today. And when I say that, I'm just using purple shampoo, that's it. And I'm just gonna let it sit like on my roots to try and tone this down some more. All right, let me check out. Oh God, here he comes, everybody. Hi. Get out of stuff. Get out of that. Go back over there. Please, I'm begging you. Like, it's so crazy how he'll come over here and be all jumpy, but over there he'll literally sit on the couch bar and watch TV. And I'm just like, what? But, all right, so I purchased that. Okay, guys, so I think that's about it. I wanted to post a video tonight, but when I tell you I don't even have that footage, y'all, it was of me cooking. I made some collard greens. They were out of turkey necks, so I ended up using turkey tails. And when I tell you they was so good, oh my goodness, I ate the whole pot. And I made some cornbread. And the thing was, when I made that video, I kept running out of stuff. I thought I had stuff, so I had to go to the store. I brought y'all with me to the store. I got some of that footage, but I don't have of me actually cooking because I was talking and cooking. I thought I hit record on the camera the whole time I didn't, y'all. So I'm irritated with myself about that, but it is what it is. So yeah, that is that. I think I'm about to go ahead and shower. Stop, leave it alone. There's my AirPods. I need to charge them. I just felt like it was ready to come out. Yeah, that's it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this stuff on my MacBook, and that's that. I will chat with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, Rupert.